In this chapter, I will present to you midjourney. Midjourney is an advanced AI algorithm that allows us to transform text prompts into images. Compared to Stable Diffusion, midjourney is able to produce accurate, high-quality, realistic images of AI influencers easier, so this is why I recommend it. It has a free plan and also paid plans. In this particular course, I focus mostly on the lowest paid plan, which is around $10 a month. I will explain to you what you can do with the free plan and with this paid plan. In this chapter, I will show you how to install midjourney, how to write good prompts for it, and some of its settings so that you feel comfortable using the latest version. The goal of this chapter is to show you the capabilities of midjourney and for you to feel confident using it. So let's start with the installation.